Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for all devices to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case this OnePlus, and wait for the pop-up. Then select pair over here and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this icon next to the device and tapping on Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!